What's up, everybody? It's Matt, American Mustangs, and we've got another sweet Shelby here. It's a 1966 factory sapphire blue 4-speed, factory painted stripes, factory 10 spokes. Those are original 10 spokes. We got all 5 of them. Got the spare. This is a beautiful car, and it is a California car. Let's let this helicopter go by. It's got the Goodyear blue streaks on it. Love 66 Shelbys in sapphire blue. Let's go ahead and go inside the vehicle. Like I was saying, this is a California car. It's lived its whole life in California. It's all original sheet metal. No metal has ever been done to this car. It's got the factory sound deadener in the quarters. All factory panels with the correct date codes. Nice original quarter seams. You got your date coded strikers. That's 2 of 66. It's got the original impact seat belts. These were the other variation of the seat belts that they put in these cars. You know, they had Ray Browns and these impacts. Super clean. Car's got 41,000 original miles. Factory tack. Nice sign dash by the man himself. It is a factory 4-speed. It's got the T10. Seats are immaculate. Headliner's immaculate. It's got the, you can see that. I mean, beautiful interior. Fold down rear seat. Such an impressive car. Have to love these cars that are California cars that stayed in California and people take care of them. I mean, this car, let me see if I got the keys. Yeah, let's pop the trunk while we're back here. So there's your full size. That's an original 10 spoke as well. Get your original sticker under the deck lid. Original sound deadener is on both sides. I've got pictures of this floor pan before I put the spare in. That's original paint on that floor. All original seam sealer, you can tell because they painted over it. Got your date codes there. Extra California plate. Owner's manual. Super clean trunk jams. All original seams. Got your car light glass, that's dated 6A. Again, look at these factory spot welds. Beautiful quarter seams. Let's see what's that. Let's see if we can see what this one's dated. Also 2 of 66. Another angle of the back seat. Beautiful door jams. Got your hazard flasher in the glove box. Yeah, like I said, the white stripes are factory on this car. Car is super straight, great gaps, door shut like brand new. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. There's no cracks right there by the scoop. As you all know, fiberglass is bad for that. There's the engine bay. The engine has been rebuilt. The car is numbers matching. It is the original engine, original transmission, original rear end, still has the tag on it, dated to the car. Original Shelby tag, 6S1730. Original date codes there. That is factory style seam sealer applied on the angle export brace. There's your 19 on your hypo head on that side, hypo balancer, hypo fan, original Western Modine radiator. This radiator hose looks original to me because the repos, the script's different and they're not ribbed like that. You can see how solid this car is. If we come over to this side, it's got the open letter valve covers. SFM 6S1730. It's got the tri-Y headers. The other hypo head number is on the back corner of this head. Cobra intake. Small letter S2MS, as it should be. The carburetor is original. I have a picture of that. It's a 715 Le Mans. It's not a reproduction. It's dated to the car. It's been rebuilt. As you can see, it's replated. The engine bay has been recently freshened up. The right satin black. I mean, beautiful. You can see those original spot welds. The hood, steel with fiberglass top, and it's original. It's not a repo. There is your date code, and a lot of times you'll have another one down here, but sometimes the fiberglass overlay will cover that date code. Another shot of the roof. Get this side. Underride traction bars. Underneath this car has the factory correct blue oversprays, red oxide paint. Got some pictures of that. It's absolutely stunning. So let's go ahead and fire it up. We drove it over here. Oh, better take it out of gear. Okay. Super responsive throttle. All the gauges work. Fuel gauge, oil gauge, amps, temp. We already have some temp in it because we had to drive it to the spot. Happy little hypo. You can hear the solid lifters. That's a solid lifter noise. That's exactly what you want to hear out of a 289 hypo. has a nice rumble to it. But that's the walk around. It's a factory blue 66 Shelby 4-speed, original motor. The VIN is on the block, got a picture of it. T10, 9-inch rear, original third member, all original metal. Cali car. It's about as good as it gets. Bottom of the car is super cool because it's original. Still has the red oxide, but the drips that come off the floor, got pictures of all that. So beautiful car. Now we're gonna do a drive video. All right, everybody, we're here in the Sapphire Blue 66 Shelby 4-speed, car 1730. We're going to do a little in-car drive video, so let's fire it up. Car starts right up. All the gauges are working. Fuel gauge is coming up. Oil pressure is coming up. Amp gauge is right where it needs to be. The temp gauge is working. It's right where it should be. We just did some exterior drive videos, so the car's got a little heat in it already. And the Cobra factory 9K tack is working right with the throttle pedal. So we got left blinker is working. I don't know if you can see the green flickering there. Then there, right blinker is working. Okay, so let's go for a little spin. Clutch feels just the way it should. It's not too stiff. It's not going to the floor super easy. Feels really nice. You can hear the drivetrain. You can hear those solid lifters working like they should. We're in second gear here. About 25 miles an hour. Alright, we're gonna downshift to first. Get this right blinker on. It's a beautiful day and nobody's on the road, so let's go. We're gonna do a few gear pulls here. There's first to second. Second to third. I'm gonna let off on third and still in third gear. We're running about 50, about 3,000 RPM. We're gonna get on it a little bit. Nice third to fourth shift. Car has great power. The original engine has been rebuilt. Got some couple specs on that. Got the receipt. Gear down to second. Shifter works. Should really smooth. The car is super quiet. There's no inside rattles. It's just a nice driving car. The steering is super responsive. It doesn't have a lot of play in it. You know, some of these old cars, you'll turn it like that before it starts to react. This car is nice and tight. Little 4-gram pull in second gear. Let's take this curve. I mean, you can one-hand drive this car easy. Plenty of power. Little second to third shift there. This car honestly has all the power that you would need. Let's gear down to second. Man, the drivetrain of this car is so tight. Everything feels brand new, and it feels factory. You know, a lot of times you can rebuild everything, and you know it's new, but it just don't feel nice and tight and like a factory car. This car feels like a factory car. And you can drive this car easy. You can cruise in it. What's impressive too is how well the car's in tune. I mean, the throttle response, there's no lag, there's no loading up, no gas smell, it's not running rich. There's a little in-car drive video for you. This is a great Shelby. It's hard to beat a Sapphire Blue 4-speed anyway, especially one that is basically all original metal. I mean, not basically, 100% original, original metal, original drivetrain, California car, never been hacked on, never been butchered. Do not miss out on this car. Sapphire Blue cars do not come up for sale very often, especially cars this good. So give it a little quick rev. Thanks for watching.